Hi friends, today I'm unboxing amazing kids' toys. Are you ready? Let's take a deep breath. In and out. Now, let's see what's inside the first box. Tap, 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 open, open, open. Wow, colorful stacking cups. Red, yellow, blue. I stack them up, 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 and boop, they go down, down, down. Can you say stack? Stack. Can you say down? Down. Next box. What's inside? Let's find out. Rip, rip, rip. Surprise, soft plush puppy. Hello, puppy. I pat the puppy. Gentle hands, gentle hands, gentle hearts. Can you bark with me? Woof, woof. Another box from Pexel's videos and photos. So many fun pictures to look at. What could it be? Shake, shake, shake. Rattle blocks. Click, clack, click, clack. Let's count 3 blocks together. 1, 2, 3. Great counting. Open, open, open the next little box. Peekaboo, a cute toy car. Vroom, vroom, vroom. The car goes fast. The car goes slow. Fast and slow. Can you move your hands fast? Now move them slow. Nice job. Another surprise. What's inside? Let's find out. Ta-da. Shape sorters. Circle, square, star. Circle goes round and round. Square has 4 sides. Let's tap them. Tap, 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 tap. Star shines bright. Twinkle, twinkle. One more box. Are you ready? Open. And wow, rainbow stickers. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Let's say rainbow together. Rainbow, you did amazing, friends. Remember, I open boxes with a grown-up. Keep tiny pieces away from tiny mouths. Gentle hands, kind words, big smiles. If you want more toy fun, I'll find more pictures and videos from Pexels for us to explore. Thank you for unboxing with me today. Wave bye-bye.